What's good, grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $20 per hour PayPal money now. If that sounds appealing to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $20 per hour PayPal money now. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos like this one. And plus, sometimes I give away free money. So please give me a like. It really helps out this channel and helps out this video. And also drop a comment down below and tell me if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this. I'm not gonna waste you guys' time. So please watch this video all the way to the very end so you can understand how to make this $20 per hour. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'll tell you the name of this website in a minute. But this is a website you're going to be doing simple tasks and you're going to be able to make up to $20 per hour doing these simple tasks. So it says here, make money doing tasks, start earning from home. It's free to sign up. So how it works. So you're going to tag images, transcribe audio, moderate content. We have many interesting tasks for you to do. English fluency is the only requirement. So you click there to get started. So once you sign up, you can sign up with Facebook. And you're going to get paid weekly via PayPal. And you're going to be taking exams. We have a ton of exams for you to take. And you're going to do tasks in categories you've unlocked. So easy to do tasks. Each exam unlocks tasks for you to do. Examples of tasks you can do are drawing boxes around cars, moderating content, identifying spam, and categorizing t-shirts. Sounds simple enough. So now it says, and it also says here, who provides the task. We work with multiple companies from small startups to public companies. Some examples include self-driving car companies and t-shirt startup companies. That sounds pretty interesting. So you're going to be working with some interesting companies doing these tasks for them. All right, let's just look at some examples of the tasks. So the tasks, we have a wide variety of tasks. These are just a few examples. Most focus on providing human insight into text, video, and images. Here's an example of an image annotation. So draw boundary boxes around various objects to help determine what's where. And here's another one. Help identify keywords that describe images. What's in an image? So as you can see there, that's the image. And the keywords are right there in the image. Okay, the next one says image transcription. So transcribe important content from an image. And as you can see, there's an example for that. And comparison. Draw bounding boxes around various objects to help determine what's where. So you're going to be drawing boxes around images, as you can see right there in the picture. And you're going to be doing audio transcription. So transcribe voice recordings for people to read. Data collection, so search the web and collect data about anything. So that's all the sample tasks that you're going to be doing. Look very, very simple to do. So that's all I'm going to say about this site. So if you want to learn more about getting started with this site here, the name of the site is remotaz.com. All right, that's all I'm going to have for this video. Thank you for watching. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button and help me to get like 100 likes. Let's keep getting that 100 likes on my videos. It really helps out this video and helps out my channel. Also, drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I talked about today. Also, drop a comment down below so you can get a chance to win some free money. Because once I make it to 2,000 subscribers, I'm not that far away. I'm like 50 to 60 subscribers away. So any day now, I can hit 2,000 subscribers. Once I hit 2,000 subscribers, 2 people are going to get some free money. So leave that comment down there because I'm going to randomly pick a comment. Matter of fact, randomly pick 2 comments and 2 people are going to win some free money. Also, please share this all around the internet because I really want to help people. I really want to help everybody I can all around the world to make money online and help me to get that 2,000 subscribers by sharing. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos like this because I make videos like this almost every day. All right, thank you, Grind family, for tuning in, watching my videos again. I really appreciate your support. Really, I really do. All right, and lastly, before I leave, one more thing. Get your grind on because the grind is real. Please watch some of my other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
This is App Grind TV.